So guys, another day, another vape. This is Vozol Gear Power 20K for coil and cotton change. So without wasting any time, let's start. First you need to open the bottom lid. Then open the screen lid. Then gently push the screen outwards. Then push the cotton lid with thumb outwards. Guys, the coil is already removed. So this is our UNV vape rebuild kit. Taking A1 coil and strips. So the coil is ready. Slowly insert the coil in the silicone holder. For the flavor, we are using juicy watermelon ice. While cotton wicking, do it slowly and properly. So the coil section is ready. Checking the connection. Working great. So it's time to refill the cotton. Make sure to refill it in proper amount to avoid leaking and dry hits. Now place the cotton over its place. Then close the lid. Guys, we are refilling the cotton extra for customer satisfaction. Now push the whole assembly back to the body. Then place the screen lid. And at last, the bottom cap. Let's check the flavor. Great, working exactly like a new one. So guys, till then, take care and stay safe.